Now, the World Health Organization says a record 350,000 people have tested positive for COVID-19 overnight. This comes as Bulgaria, the UK, Russia, Iran and many others see the highest spike in their daily infections. Worldwide, the number of cases has exceeded 36.8 million, with over 1.06 million deaths. Details in this report.
The second wave of the coronavirus pandemic has officially made a devastating start, with new record cases being posted for 2 consecutive days. Many nations previously worst hit by the virus have yet again recorded the highest daily infection toll. Spain, the UK and France have contributed immensely to Europe's cases, which have surpassed 100,000 daily infections for the first time. The World Health Organization has warned the continent to take adequate measures to contain the transmission.
We have the tools we have. We have seen how effective those tools can be if applied in the right proportions, at the right time and in the right way at country level. It is, though, sad to see many countries in Europe experiencing a rapid rise in cases, and governments do have to take decisive action in order to try and shut down transmission.
The US remains the world leader of coronavirus with over 7.6 million infections and more than 213,000 deaths. Meanwhile, the World Bank says Latin America and the Caribbean region will suffer the worst economic and health impact from the pandemic. The bank has forecasted a nearly 8% drop in regional gross domestic product.
The idea sprung up when I saw I was completely without money to pay my rent, to maintain myself. So I started to think about what I could do. And we have to do what we like, and I like to plant flowers. I don't have pretty fingernails because I'm always working with plants.
In India, the coronavirus is again spiraling out of control in rural regions, putting the country on track to have the most reported infections in the world. Research suggests that Black and South Asian patients are more severely affected by COVID-19 than white patients at different stages of the disease. In the meantime, the global push to develop a vaccine is gathering pace, with 4 out of 10 candidates entering the third phase of trials.